Wewe haulinganishwi kamwe na kitu chochote kile, wewe ni wa pekee.
Hello, it's another beautiful morning and I want to explore one of the most beautiful waterfalls in this area, that is Kianjokoma area. I've been covering this area for some content. I was doing the 46 seconds in Kianjokoma. I will tell you the card over there, and everything seems to be so sweet, to the fact that today is a nice day, so bright, overcast, no sun, no much overshadowing things. It's just a cool environment. Just look at this road, just a valley heading to where I'm heading to. Yeah.
Haulinganishwi kamwe na kitu chochote kile, wewe ni wa pekee. Ni wewe.
So I'm already at the site, and I've seen a very interesting fruit. I think it's the pomegranate. It's like mapera, like the guavas, which is red in color, so sweet, so tantalizing, and I think I like it, but I'm not sure it's pomegranate, the one which cures all the diseases in the world. So let me head to the waterfall and let's see it in all its awesomeness. So that's the Ikurungu waterfall. I've just explored it to its depth, to even the small details which I cannot even think I did, but I'm so happy to be in this place. It's so refreshing. It's on a Sunday in the morning, it's about 8 a.m. but I decided to do this before I go to church, and I'm so happy. It's quite a good place, so relaxing. So there is a new route I want to explore. The route I came through, the one which had a cow, is not accessible, so I have to find another route and see what Ikurungu has to offer.